Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com, and a happy Friday to everyone. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your forecast update as we head into the weekend. Of course, started the week with torrential rain. We'll end the week with some dry and very hot weather as we did make it into the mid-90s yesterday. We'll be right back there again today, and we'll just repeat this likely Saturday and Sunday. There is some relief in the forecast. We have a front coming in on Monday, which will give us some cooler weather for at least a few days next week and likely bring our next chance of rain and thunderstorms. So we'll get to that in just a moment. Your temperatures today in the mid-90s this afternoon. It's a little bit of rain over in the panhandle of Texas. Occasionally may see a few clouds bubble up due to this, but this rain going to stay to the west and to the north of us all weekend as we're still kind of ruled by this area of high pressure here, which is going to keep that dry north wind going today. Again, the humidity not the worst. We'll still feel some of that in the upcoming days here, especially late in the weekend, but your temperatures managed to fall into the 60s and low 70s here overnight, and just a light breeze today. We'll be out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and highs this afternoon within a degree or two of where we wound up yesterday, up to about 96 in both Shreveport as well as Texarkana. I believe we made it to 97 yesterday in Shreveport, so again, that's not out of the question. The record high is 99 for both those locations today. I think we'll come in just short of the record, but it is going to feel like it's about 99 degrees this afternoon. We factor in that humidity, get the heat index up to 100 today. Again, the heat advisory gets triggered at 105. We'll probably stay just a bit below that over the weekend, but definitely going to be a hot weekend as well as almost no changes here. Mostly sunny Saturday. A few more clouds coming in on Sunday, which may drop us a degree or two, but generally if you have some things to do outside or some yard work to do this weekend, try to get it done before 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., those temperatures really ramp up. So we'll talk about the front's coming in on Monday, so sunny skies today as well as tomorrow. You can see a few more clouds rolling in on Sunday, and then by looks like Sunday night into Monday morning, that front will begin to move in. So I believe the weekend will be unaffected by rain here, but we will see a few showers and storms on Monday, and still thinking there's a bit of a disconnect between where the best ingredients for severe weather will be and the timing of the front here. So we can't rule out maybe an isolated severe storm or two, especially with some wind and hail, but the overall threat of seeing any widespread or significant severe weather as we have seen in the past few weeks doesn't look like that will be in play for us. And we're showing the front moving south of us on Monday, but there is a possibility this front will linger on Tuesday. So when we look at the 7-day forecast, I still have a pretty decent chance for showers and storms on Tuesday, and that will just depend on the timing of the front there. And the rainfall accumulation's not going to be much here, coming off a week that saw 6 to 10 inches of rain. This will be pretty manageable, as I think maybe a quarter to a half inch for a few areas here, but nothing that's going to trigger any additional flooding. The lakes and rivers, again, will be in minor to moderate flood stage through the weekend here, but we do have some drier conditions next week. Again, can't rule out maybe a few showers spilling into Wednesday, but we're not going to see the heavy rain that would cause us any issues there. And your highs go from the mid-90s over the weekend, drop into the 80s next Monday through Wednesday.